Hey everyone, and welcome to this robotic gripper 3D CAD modeling and assembling tutorial in which we will model this link of the robotic gripper. So let's begin. So go ahead and open a new part file, change the background to plain white and make sure that you are working in mmgs, or you can say millimeters as units. Then select the front plane and click on the sketch. Then I will create here two circles at this origin. Then I will select the Smart Dimensioning tool and specify the diameter of the smaller circle, and this is going to be 4 millimeters, and the diameter of the bigger circle, this one, this is going to be 6 millimeters. After that, I will select the line and I will create a horizontal straight line like this. Then I will select the line and make relation horizontal so that it is at 0 degree. Then I will create another straight line from the quadrant of the circle, and then I will create a reference central line because I want to mirror the entities later. So I will select this one and make relation vertical, and after that I will hold the control key. I will then select these 2 points and make relation coincident because I want to join these 2 points. After that I will select the center line again and create here a center line from these two on these two quadrants because I want to trim this outer circle like this. Now the sketch is ready for the mirror, so I will select the mirror entities. I will select this entire sketch, and a mirror about window I will select this reference line, and the whole sketch is get mirrored. Now one thing is left, the length of this line. So length of this line is going to be 36 millimeters. So now our sketch is fully defined, and we can go to the features and select Extruded Boss Base, and now we can specify the length of extrusion from here. So this is going to be 4 millimeters, and then we can check the box. So the link is ready, and now we can assign any color or any material we want. So I am simply assigning a solid color, this orange one, and this is complete first link of the robotic arm. So now I will save this link. So I will go to file, click on save as, and in our directory we have to create a folder where we want to save it. So that's all for this tutorial guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.